From the state's new tough immigration law is supposed to go into effect. The judge is deciding whether SB 1070 should be enforced. It's being challenged on several fronts, including claims that it will violate civil rights. You've seen the protests. You've heard the accusations. Do you know the reality? CNN's Josh Lebb's here to break down the proposed law for us. Give us the details.
Yeah, Kira, it's actually gone through a bunch of changes, and some of these changes are very important. And what I want to do right now is talk you through some of the ways in which these words have changed and how that has impacted what this law can actually be. Let's take a look right here. I'm going to start off with this one section. Look at this. This is changes that Governor Jen Brewer has signed into law. There's a section of this bill when it focuses on the idea of police being able to approach people, arrest people, detain people, ask them questions. It says here, law enforcement may not, and it originally said solely, consider race, color, or national origin in implementing these requirements. Now, what they did was, they went and they removed the word solely. So for this section, it now says law enforcement may not consider race, color, or national origin in implementing the requirements. But now you got to see the second half of that sentence. Look what it leads to. Except to the extent permitted by the United States or Arizona Constitution. This is really important, and folks, this is where this law goes from here, because there actually is Supreme Court precedent establishing that in this country it is okay to consider race at times for police to decide whether to detain people. So what they're saying right here is that police cannot consider race except to the extent that is allowed by the U.S. Constitution, the Arizona Constitution. That right there sets up judicial questions we'll be following from here. Look at another.
Told him no.
Are you saying that some people say, I'd love to go home, but I can't?
Yeah, that's the reality.
Some illegal immigrants even face detention if they try to leave.
If you want to stay, they get you out very quick. If you want to leave, they try to make it hard for you to leave.
Immigration authorities declined to be interviewed on camera. They say people facing deportation orders may be detained while they're processed. The only way to come and go without a penalty, sneak back across the border.
That's your toothpaste. Orjo chewing toothpaste.
Very good. That's right. Make Orjo your child's first toothpaste. It has great flavors and it's fluoride-free, so it's safe to swallow. Fluoride-free, so it's safe to swallow. Fluoride-free, so it's safe to swallow.
But Rob Damaris has been concerned for years about what's in the supply he gets from China. The residue you see here is what won't dissolve when he puts the fluoride powder in the water.
What is that?
We don't know.
You have no idea what's in there?
I don't know what it is. It's not soluble. And it doesn't appear to be sodium fluoride, so we're not quite sure what it is.
Damaris says the residue clogs his machines and makes it difficult to get a consistent mix. The water in Amesbury is supposed to have fluoride in it. The Department of Public Health says more than 650,000 customers in 44 communities are getting the product in question.
But despite those concerns, we want to be clear, both state and federal health officials tell Team 5 Investigates Chinese fluoride is safe.
Fluoride-free, so it's safe to swallow. Fluoride-free, so it's safe to swallow. Fluoride-free, so it's safe to swallow. Orajel, what moms want and kids love.
For the City Council of New York, which just passed a new benefits package for the horses that pull the carriages in Central Park. The four-legged employees will now get guaranteed 5 weeks vacation, new health benefits, and also mandatory regulated breaks.
Unfolds live here on Happening Now. A Texas man crashes his light plane into an IRS building in Austin, Texas.